Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel because in this episode, I'm going to make a touch mark. So, ladies and gentlemen, Robert Wiley, who subscribes to the channel, suggested I should make a touch mark. Fantastic idea, Robert, well done. I am actually going to go and do that. Now, what I've got to make that with, my touch mark, is this piece of spring steel. It's a half a coil spring. It'll end up about 9-10 inches long, something like that. So what I'm going to do now quickly, duck out to the smithy, I'm going to straighten it out, and after I've straightened it out, I'm going to forge down one end, not very much, just a little bit to make a struck end, and then I'm going to bring it back over here, chop off the horrible end so it's nice and straight, looking beautiful, and then I'm going to put my touch mark in the end. So let's get over to the smithy now and get this stock prepared. Okay, that's that done now. I'm back in my main workshop with my piece of stock. I have reduced the striking end down, straightened it all out, got that nice and flat on the end there. I've made a little drawing on the end there, but I don't think you'll be able to see that. Now, when I was asking for suggestions as to what I should do, the overwhelming response was that I should add my initials as my touch mark logo or whatever you call it. I thought that was a great idea. And expanding on that, Chirpy Tinkerings has said I should have a P with a C at 45 degrees, and that should be my touch mark, and that's the one I'm going to go with. So thanks, Chirpy Tinkerings. Awesome. Now, you can't see that little one, so I've drawn a big one. Here it is here. That's kind of the thing I think he was trying to get at, a P like that with a C on a 45 degree. And if you can imagine, that red line is like, you know, the end of my touch mark. So that's how I'm going to do it. So how I'm going to do it, I'm going to go at it with a set of files. So this bit here, I'm going to just go at that with a flat file until it's there. I'll go back for about 40 mil, something like that. And then on this side here, I'm going to use a triangle file in there. And in here, I'm going to use a chainsaw file because it's kind of rounded already. Finish it off in there with go back to using the triangle file again. And it should come out looking something like a P with a C that's on a 45-degree cant. That's the big plan. We'll see how well it works in execution. Okay, let's get filing. Well, there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That's the end of that forging and filing now. What I've made is my Touchmark logo. It's got PC written on it. Now, I got so caught up in the moment of doing it all and filing and forging and doing all this kind of thing, I forgot that it's supposed to be a reverse impression. So when I bashed it into that piece of hot metal that I just showed you there, and I picked up the thing to have a look at it, it looks like some kind of weird chicken. It's not even round the right way. I'm like, you bloody idiot, what did you do it like that for? I just didn't even think about making it in the reverse image. So there you go. Unless I'm going to be weird chicken forge, that logo's not going to happen. So you know what's going to happen now, don't you? Out that's going to go. I'm either going to do something different with it, or I'll go with the same thing but make it a reverse impression. Actually, you know what it is? It's It's karma telling me I'm not supposed to have my initials. It should have gone with a rune, Pete. There you go. See, all you people are wrong. Should have been a rune. Anyway, that was a complete stuff up. So look out for part 2 of Pete making his own touch mark. Until that video comes along, thanks for putting up with this one. And we'll see you on the next one. See you later. Thanks for watching.